ቤቱ ከተሰራ ማለት ነው 140 ዓመት ነው። 140 ዓመት ነው ቤቱ ከተሰራ። አልታደሰም፣ ምንም አላለም። ቅርስ ነው፣ በቅርስ ተመዝግቧል። አይነካም። 140 ዓመት ነው ቤቱ ከተሰራ። ሚኒሊክ ነው የሰራው ነው። ሚኒሊክ ለልጃቸው ለደጃችሁ ቤት እና ለንግስት ዘውዲቱ ጫጉላ ቤት ሰርተው የሰጧቸው ናቸው። ንግስት ዘውዲቱ የሚኒሊክ ልጅ ናት። እና ለልጃቸው ይሄን ለጫጉላ ቤት ሲጋቡ ስጦታ የሰጧቸው ቤት ነው። እና 140 ዓመት ሆኖታል ከተሰራ። እዛች ጋርም ሸክላው ላይ ያለች ማየት ትችላላችሁ። ዘውዲቱና ውቤ ተጋቡ የሚል ሸክላው ላይ ላሳያችሁ። ቻት ዘ ሸክላ ቻት ዘቻት ናቸው።
ይሄው በካሜራ ሙሉ ይታያል። ናይ
በካሜራ በሚታይ
በደንብ ማለት ነው።
እቺ ዘናት እቺ በካሜራ በሚታይ
ይታያል ማለት ይሄን ማለት ነው።
ቻት ቀይ ቻት ዘውዲቱና ውቤ ተጋቡ ነው። ያኔ በ140 ዓመት ነው።
This is built by dirt with mud. Wow. No? What is that? What is that here? What is that here? Usually እሱን ያዩት አጤ ቴዎድሮስ ነው፣ ግን ሴት ናት።
ሴት ናት።
Oh my God!
Wow! I love that painting. Never. Today here at Addis Ababa restaurant, the oldest restaurant here in Ethiopia, we are about to eat some shekla tips, which is prepared on a shekla, which is this clay designed holder, which actually has the kasal, the charcoal under, which is burning and keeping the tibs of a cow. So tibs is this sliced beef cubes. And out of Bulgaria, we've got some kutfo, which is prepared with Ethiopian butter, also called kabe, on this palm leaf that we're gonna put all into our injera. Here we got gomen, and here we got, which is made of collard greens, sometimes spinach, and then we got ai, which is our cottage cheese. We've got our mita, which is a bunch of spices blended up together to get what we call one spice is our mita. And we've got awaze here, which is made up of many different things. Could be mita, could be tej, which includes honey, ketchup. It all depends on who's making it. Here we've got gocho. Gocho is made from inset, which is a false banana leaf. And all together we've got our two teifs injera. Actually, I don't think this is teif. Teif is the ancient grain found in Ethiopia. And here, my father is eating beyanitu. Beyanitu malet. All different types, right? So we've got
veggie combination.
The veggie combo. We've got our misr over there made with red lentils. We've got shur over here made with chickpea flour. We've got another gomen made of cabbage and onions over here. We've got chickpeas also over here. We've got the green yellow lentils, yellow lentils there. This one looks like it's the same as this, but I'm not too sure. What do you think that is?
Yeshimbara what?
Yeshimbara what? Maybe shimbara, right? Shimbara is another chickpea one. We got some rice over there, and then we got the gomen.
This rice?
You must love.
That's our part. I don't know why we have rice here. I don't know.
Is it rice? Rice, no?
But
and this gomen is a little bit different than the one I was showing you guys before. It actually is made with. That's actually with collard greens. This might be more with spinach. So, as we say in Ethiopia, nibla. That's how you show.
Open it. More.